RP-Sanjiv Goenka Group is an Indian multinational conglomerate company headquartered in Kolkata, India. It was founded by Sanjiv Goenka, the younger son of Rama Prasad Goenka, on 13 July 2011. With a $6 billion asset base and $4 billion revenue, the group's businesses include power and energy, carbon black manufacturing, retail, it-enabled services, FMCG, media and entertainment, infrastructure and education. Rama Prasad Goenka established RPG Enterprises in 1979 with Philips Carbon Black, Asian Cables, Agarpara Jute and Murphy India as the constituents. In 1981, the group acquired Seat Tires India. Keck International was acquired in 1982. In 1986, it acquired the music company Gramophone Company of India Limited, now known as Sarigama. Harrison's Malayalam, the tea and rubber plantations was acquired in 1988. In the following year, Calcutta Electric Supply Corporation, Racham Technologies, and Spencer's were acquired. In 1993, Noida Power Company Limited was formed as a JV between the group and Greater Noida Industrial Development Authority to distribute power in the Greater Noida region. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.